Have you heard of acceptance and commitment therapy? And are you ready to dive in? Have you been to ACT Bootcamp?
Bootcamp is super fun, it's super intense, you learn a lot, and I think I'm going to leave a better therapist.
Awesome. One word. Awesome.
It's mind-bending, but in an exhilarating kind of way.
You can't not do it if you're serious about learning ACT.
This seminal workshop, led by Doctors Stephen C. Hayes, Robyn Walser, and Kelly Wilson, has been the foundation of ACT training for thousands of practitioners. ACT Bootcamp allows you to learn, experience, and practice ACT in a supportive 4-day setting with the co-founders of ACT itself. The workshop covers the basics of the ACT model and its use, including the foundations of psychological flexibility, the 6 core processes, and the skills for using the processes flexibly in session. ACT Bootcamp presents the philosophical and theoretical roots of ACT in a clear, fun, and practical way. At ACT Bootcamp, you'll develop a beginning set of skills in ACT, engage with client-therapist role-plays, practice ACT techniques, and get real-time feedback. Many clinicians attend ACT Bootcamp multiple times to refine their ACT skills and build important connections. Come to ACT Bootcamp and learn how ACT can reinvigorate your therapeutic relationships. For more information, visit praxiscet.com. Join us at ACT Bootcamp.